The Klein Electronics 6-shot multi-charger. Today we'll talk about how to install the pods. The first thing we want to do is locate the power cord on the side of the charger and ensure it is not connected. Now before we drop the pod into the charger, we want to ensure that the contacts on both the charger and the pod line up. Note that the pod will install even if the contacts are not lined up, but it will not work. Now that the pod is seated, you can either use a hand screwdriver or an electric one. For the electric screwdrivers, we like to set it at 3 pounds of torque. Holding the pod in place, install with this single screw until the pod seats into place. To uninstall a pod, simply remove the single screw.